Hi, good day, Mr. Stephen Smith. Thank you so much for making out time for this meeting. Also, I would like to thank you for the email you sent prior to this meeting. It actually helps to set the expectation, and also you also detailed your key concerns. Okay, so why don't we start with the key requirements for your ideal communication and organization tool for ABC Design Company. Okay, since the scope of usage is for the entire organization and not just for your developers and not just for project management alone, you actually need a simple tool that people can use without digital aptitude. Also, you stated that your company is growing. You projected to grow from 50 to 150 in 12 months. That's pretty impressive. So you need a tool that can unite all your team members across the organization and at all levels around the same priorities. Well, Trello has a very simple and highly visual user interface with drag and drop capabilities and easy navigation. This makes Trello very intuitive, even to non technical users. So teams can quickly get used to working on Trello without extensive training. Also, the highly visual interface makes Trello fluid and adaptive. Yeah, so it can be used to solve a wide range of problems that all revolve around getting people on the same page. Whereas Asana is specifically built and specialized for project management only. So this is one of the advantage of Trello. You can use it for anything whatsoever beyond project management. Trello is also readily scalable and it makes it an excellent tool for growing teams. Another need you mentioned in your email is you have a remote workforce located across the country, and you need a tool that is accessible from anywhere, regardless of location. As you're aware, Trello is a cloud based tool and allows you to access and update your boards anytime, anywhere. This enables your team to comfortably work from any location and still remain in sync because they get real time updates. Another key need you mentioned, uh, you need the tool to be able to work on any device. Well, you can access and update your Trello boards from your smartphone, your tablet, or computer. This enables real time update and seamless work. Unlike Asana has no desktop application. So this is one other advantage of Trello over Asana. You can update Trello from your smartphone, from your tablet, and from your PC or computer. In your mail, you also raised some key concern, and I want to thank you. I want to thank you, Mr. Smith, for bringing this to the fore. Why don't we look at your concerns one after the other? The first one you mentioned is you do not want to commit to an annual contract for now. You would actually like to stay on a free plan for the first year. Well, I don't think that should be an issue. Trello as well as Asana both offer a free limited account. However, Asana's free version is limited to just 15 people maximum. Trello is a free plan, has a free plan that's accessible to your whole team. This is one advantage. Also, Trello can be used for completely free without any restriction. For example, Trello allows free users to use automation triggers. Asana users have to upgrade to implement automation triggers at all. Trello's free plan is perhaps one of the most generous offers out there in the market. Another concern you raise is about project timelines management. You mentioned that you've used Asana in your previous company, and you like the tool and how it manages project timelines, which is a key requirement for your organization. Well, Trello is an excellent collaboration and organization tool because it creates an environment in which each member of a team will know what is being done and what is still to be done. Asana, on the other hand, misses some key aspects of project managers, specifically from the agile workflow point of view. Using Trello, managers can create boards to correspond with various projects. Cards can be created within boards to indicate individual tasks and checklists. And each card can be set with a due date to improve tracking. For easier organization, Trello lets you group boards into collections. Now, you see, collections become very, very important, and it comes in handy for organizations with multiple departments or organizations with teams that handle multiple projects or very complex projects that require more than one board. Additionally, Trello streamlines workflow through Butler. Butler brings automation to Trello boards by performing simple tasks. I'll give you an example, like moving a card to the top of the board once its due date is up, or creating an onboarding card whenever a new member joins the team. These sort of automation can help teams become more productive. Yeah. Lastly, the last concern you raised is about the bad reviews you saw about Trello on Glassdoor, and you're concerned about Trello after reading these. Yes, I agree. I've also seen some of these reviews. They mostly bother on Trello as an organization and not the tool itself. Things to do with salary scale, onboarding process, work flexibility, etc., etc. These are things the company will continue to improve upon. And thank you for highlighting them. I don't know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.